some wheat bread and peanut butter with some ginger tea. I'm gonna have my breakfast, then I'm gonna start my day. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and I am continuing to prepare for the baby. I am currently 36 weeks pregnant. I'll be 37 weeks in a few days. So you know the baby's gonna be here anytime soon. Anytime after 37 weeks, she's full term. So it can happen anytime after 37 weeks. Am I ready? I don't think so. I'm actually pretty nervous, not about my delivery, like my labor and delivery, not about that, but I'm nervous to meet her, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm gonna be responsible for a human being, you know, like she's me, like half of me, half of her dad, but like I created her, you know what I'm saying? Like she came outside of me, and like I'm wondering, is she gonna like me? So I remember saying to my sister, like, what if the baby doesn't like me? Like I was saying to my boyfriend too, what if she doesn't like me? And he was like, you're so stupid. She doesn't have a choice. You are her mom. I'm like, I'm nervous to meet her. I am. I'm really nervous to meet her actually. So I don't know. But anyways, today I'm trying to get out some of her stuff done. I did her laundry. Well, some of her laundry. You know, we as Jamaicans, we don't do the baby laundry in the washing machine, so I did it with my hand. Yes, I get bath pan, and I sit there and I wash them with my hands, but I had to put them in the dryer though, because well, I really clean out the dryer because I am on the 50th floor and we have no like backyard to pin them on the line or anything like that. So yeah, I have to put them in the dryer, but I'm gonna iron whatever I had washed already, and iron what needs to be ironed today. So let's go. Let me show you guys my baby bump so you guys can see what's going on. This is gonna be a weekly vlog, so I'm gonna like piece of each day what I've done in preparation for the baby. So yeah, okay, so are you guys ready to see my tummy? All right, so let's go. Okay, let me see. We're gonna show off a little today. Okay, we're gonna show you guys my tummy. Okay, as a matter of fact, hold on, I haven't moisturized my stomach. Oh yes, I did this morning, but I haven't moisturized my stomach in the afternoon. So let me, as a matter of fact, I want to share something with you guys. Okay, so I am 36 weeks pregnant, almost 37, almost full term, and I haven't gotten not even one stretch mark on my tummy. I was so afraid. I'm still afraid because the journey is still not over. But I am share. Just want to share with you guys what products I've been using ever since I found out I was pregnant, and it has to be. That's why I don't have any stretch mark, because my sister got it, my mama got it, my grandmother got it. They all got it, and I was so scared. I'm going to get it. Okay, so what, I'm not gonna like to like overjoyed about it yet, because I don't know what can happen in the next few weeks. All right, but so far I have no stretch marks on my tummy. I'm going to just share with you guys the products that I use. So since day one, guys, since the day I found out I was pregnant, I ordered Mustela. My boyfriend told me about this brand. He said, listen, this is what they all use in the state, and this is what my first child mom used, and she didn't get any stretch mark. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. So I went on there and I bought a few of them. I bought their oil. They have like a package deal also. You can get it on Amazon also, but it's more expensive on Amazon. But when you buy it on their website itself, mustela.com, you get it for a cheaper, like package deal for cheaper than if you buy it on Amazon. Okay, so this is it. I bought this one, the stretch mark cream, and I also bought the stretch mark prevention oil, my first purchase. I've been through 3 bottles of these now, and a bottle of oil from them, sure, but like I swear on this product, guys, I swear on this product, you need to get this product in your life. And then the other thing that I started using for past two and a half months, it's bio oil. So I've been like using the cream along with the bio oil. So I would like use the cream on my stomach first after I take a shower, then I will rub the bio oil after I finish moisturize my entire body. Then I rub the bio oil on my belly, because to me, like, when you rub the cream, it doesn't give it like a shiny look, but when you put the bio oil with it, it gives you like a longer lasting shine and moisture, I think. So I've already gone through one of this size of the bio oil, and this is my second bottle I'm going through now. So I'm gonna be using this until giving birth. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna repurchase the Mustela, but the bio oil works great too. Okay, so those are the two products I've been using, and I am good. So let me show you guys my tummy. Okay, so this is my tummy. Let me come a little closer so you guys can see. And how often do I use this? I use this in the morning. I moisturize my belly in the morning. I moisturize my belly throughout the day. If I feel like it's dry or I feel a little bit itchiness coming on, I moisturize my belly. And I moisturize my belly in the night before I go to bed. I always do. So you have to be consistent. You can't moisturize your belly today and don't moisturize it tomorrow, or moisturize it one time per day. I don't recommend one time per day. I recommend you moisturize your belly as often as possible, because you do get itchy stomach. Whenever I feel like my stomach is itching me, instead of itching it, you moisturize it. So that's exactly what I do, and I just rub it in. And trust me guys, my belly is really big. Like, you guys remember how skinny I was, and look at this belly. Like, I'm so surprised I don't have any stretch marks, because I've been praying and I've been consistent. So consistent is the key. All right, let me just rub it here on my back too. Hey guys, so the baby stuff are coming in. I ordered most of her stuff on Amazon because I cannot manage the going in store shopping. So the stuff are coming in. This is 2 boxes. I'm gonna do a video on what's in these boxes, so guys, look out for that. Yeah, so getting ready for the baby. Also guys, what I want to show you guys is our stroller. So we got this stroller for her. This is the Vista stroller. Yes, I'm so excited. I really love this stroller, guys. I really love it. So I could, like, when I was having it, at the moment the bassinet is on, but it comes with another part when we keep the bassinet on until she is 6 months, and then we change it out to the regular what do you call it, stroller fit. So I was supposed to choose between the Vista and what's the other one called, a Minnow or Mino, something like that, and also the Boogaboo. And I really love this one. Like, it was so confusing to choose the right stroller though. Like, seriously, it was so confusing. So under here, also I got this bag for her, this diaper bag. So I think it matched the stroller kind of with the beige color. So this is it. It's gonna be her diaper bag. That's the inside. I think it's big enough. I really like this. The material is good. It's good quality. We paid $189 for this. So the material is good though. It's like he has a nice quality. So under here we also got this this for the stroller also, so we can just take off the bassinet and put the car seat on the stroller, if we don't want to like take the baby outside of the car seat, like if she's sleeping and we don't want to wake her up. So this is actually the parts. And what I like about this stroller also, it can, you can fit two babies into this stroller. Nope, I'm not planning on having a second child. Just letting you know, it can fit actually two babies at once, which is pretty good. I think it's worth the money. Let me see, I'm gonna give you guys a better view of the stroller, but I am obsessed with this stroller. It is so nice, guys, and like, let me tell you, it can do a lot of stuff. The ride, I love the fact that the wheels are really big and it rides really smooth. Like the baby's gonna be super comfortable. Let me show you guys the other path. It also came with this. So after 6 months, we take the baby out the bassinet, we put this on the stroller. This is the, we put this one on the stroller for her when she's no longer a little teeny weeny thing. So you get this stroller can fit three different parts. The bassinet, this part, I don't know what it is called, and the car seat. So you can put any three in the on the stroller when you're ready. So this is it. I chose the beige color. I wanted gray, but then I chose the beige. Her dad wanted to get the first, we wanted to get the what's the name of it again? The bigger bugaboo, boogaboo. I think that was the name of it. I'm gonna show you guys a picture. And then first I wanted to get the Mino, right? And then because I think it was really hot and stylish for, you know, hot mama. And then I came here in the state and I saw the Vista in person, when I'm walking downtown Miami, and it looks so nice, so flashy, so cute. The baby looks so comfortable. It's so big. I'm like, no, 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 no. I want the Vista instead. And the daddy wanted the Bugaboo. And then when we went to the store, I couldn't decide. Both the what am I saying? All three was at the store, but I couldn't decide. And I'm like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm like, you know what? Just give me the Vista. So I took the Vista. And I don't regret it. I love it, love it, love it. What I also love about her stroller is that you get like a 3-year warranty on it, and you get like a 2-year maintenance. So to get it clean, anything's broken, you can go get it fixed, everything for free. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, that's good. So if something stopped working, or if it's something like breaks, or if it gets dirty or whatever, you get it clean and fixed for free, like the 2-year maintenance thing is on it, and a 3-year warranty. Okay guys, so these are what I'm going to be ironing today. These are her sleeper, like monkey suit or onesie, whatever you guys call them. So I'm gonna iron these today. These are all the newborns. Well, the newborns one. I have a lot more clothes for her, but I only took out the stuff that she's gonna be wearing when she's newborn and wash those. Then I have like 2 bib here. I have her little pants. Some pants right here. These are her hats. These are like her pin under. I have a lot more that's coming that I ordered on Amazon. That is coming. Well, some is already here, but I haven't washed them as yet. I'm gonna do like a Amazon video of the stuff that I purchased for her on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and iron these.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, oh. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me bleed. All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do.